Hello all. Today we see the methods of enzyme engineering. Directed evolution is one of the method of enzyme engineering. It is the method which randomly changes the amino acids in a protein without prior knowledge of exact function of each amino acid. It is of three steps. First is diversification. Takes gene that encodes enzyme of interest and replicates it many times. Selection is the next step, which tests or screens these enzyme variants for a desired property. Once desired variants are identified, it undergoes the third step, that is amplification, which replicates identified variants and sequences them to determine which mutations are produce the desired property. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.